With folded hands on behalf of the Chief Minister, myself, I would like to thank each one of you for all the help that you have given to the state government. I had this function because I just want to draw your attention in every function I make a mention is that we have never forgotten. We have never forgotten, right from Kankon to everywhere we said we will visit each and every primary health center. Then that gives us go and thank each and one of them for each and every doctor, each and every support staff, each and every nurse, each and every ANM, each and every MPHW, housekeeping staff, the technical team that is there, the laboratory staff, the pharmacist, then you have the housekeeping staff, the security, only because everybody worked as a team. And I would only like to say to you is that, we as the Health Ministry are not only here to felicitate you and appreciate what you have done, but we are also in the process of creating different types of infrastructure that we realized what was lacking and what is required during the pandemic too.
कोविडाच्या वक्तार पयलीं म्हाका कॅन्टीन दिलें, मागीर थोडे दिसांनी बंद पडलें, कोवीड जालें न्ही. मागीर म्हाका डायरेक्टरान फोन केलो की हांगा आसा डॉक्टरांक कांयच मेळना, तूं येवंक शकता काय म्हणून. पण म्हाज्या घरान सगळ्यांचें ऑब्जेक्शन आशिल्लें, तुका कोवीड जाल्यार तूं कितें करतली, तुका लागून आमकांय त्रास जातले. हांवें म्हटलें डॉक्टर इतक्या लोकां खातीर त्रास घेता जाल्यार हांव डॉक्टरां खातीर त्रास घेता अशें. मागीर हांवें म्हटलें म्हाजें वय जाल्लेंच आसा, केन्नाय तरी मरतलें, पण लोकांक लागून मेल्यार म्हाका मनान म्हाजी शांती जातली.
I've been very fortunate to be working with the Directorate of Health Services and under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and very efficient Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rane, who streamlined most of the procedures and most of the functionings at all our health centers.
I have been the eyewitness of almost all kinds of COVID infested patients. I have seen patients from ICU with CT severity score of 25 on 25 walking home. This was possible only because of teamwork.
आम्ही as administrative staff or those who are working behind the curtains, आम्ही एक खारीचा वाटा असं उखललेला. So it feels great to be part of this team, and we are very much honored that our work was appreciated, and we are very much thankful to the Honorable HM for having these felicitation programs. This will encourage us further and will give us a boost to work more efficiently.
All our healthcare workers, our staff, our peripheral staff, everybody has a tremendous work. I really, a question comes to my mind: from where does this motivation comes? Because the motivation what they are working right for last 1.5 years is, huge, it's tremendous, and they are still working with the same skill and same motivation.
And a year and a half back, when the first wave hit, that was the time when nobody understood what COVID was all about. And that was the time when 108 came into the picture, and we have taken COVID patients from house to the center, from one hospital to the other hospital, without thinking about ourselves.
आमचे ऑनरेबल माननीय आरोग्य मंत्री हांगा आयिल्ले आयज एक एकल्याक देव बरें करूं म्हणपाक तांणी जें कार्य केलां ताजें थँक्यू म्हणपाक आनी तशेंच फुडें तांणी अशेंच कार्य करून कोविडा बद्दल आमी आमचें कार्य चालूच दवरपाक आनी कोवीड गोंया पासून पयस दवरपाक.